You may have heard of a story about the bear tree connected with the Ramayana, about the episode where Shabri feeds Ram jhute bear. But have you heard a story about the bear tree from the Sikh tradition related to a sacred bear tree located in the Golden Temple in Amritsar, the most sacred of all Sikh sites? Let's find out more about the Dukh Banjani bear in this episode of Tree Talk. Legend has it that there once lived a rich landlord named Duni Chand Khatri in Punjab. He had 5 daughters. To test their devotion, he once asked them all a question: Who is it that provides for you and sustains you? It is you, father, answered the first, bowing to touch his feet. Pleased, he summoned his next daughter and asked the same question. It is none other than you, father, answered the girl respectfully. Pleased, he called the next, and so it went on with the third and the fourth daughters. Finally, he called his youngest daughter Rajni and asked her the same question. The Lord above, replied Rajni. But what about me? Asked the father. God sustains us all, father, Rajni replied calmly. Dunichand flew into a rage and decided to show the girl how miserable her life would be without his support. In a fit of anger, he got her married off to a leper. Rajni's sisters were in shock to see their sister married off to a man who couldn't walk or stand straight. His skin was scarred and his fingers reduced to stumps. But Rajni decided to look after her husband. She took him to Amritsar and found herself a job as a cook in a gurdwara. Placing him under the shade of a bear tree in the compound, she went to work each morning in the common kitchen, that is the langar of the gurudwara. Rajni's husband would wait for her under the bear tree by the holy sarovar or the tank and listen to Guru Ramdas, the fourth Sikh Guru, who is also said to have founded the city of Amritsar and the holy sarovar about 400 years ago. One day, as he sat under the bear tree, Rajni's husband reached out to touch the water of the holy sarovar in the center of the Gurudwara. Holding on to the trunk of the bear tree, he is said to have stretched out his leg to dip it in the cool, healing water. To his surprise, he found that he was miraculously cured. All the sores and marks on his skin vanished, his stumpy fingers healed, and his limbs straightened out. He was a new man. When Rajni returned from the langar kitchen later that day, she could not recognize her husband. It was a miracle. Seeing Rajni's husband miraculously cured of leprosy, people then began to call the bear tree the Dukh Banjani bear, or the tree that relieves pain and suffering. It stands in Amritsar in the courtyard of the Sri Harminder Sahib complex of the Golden Temple near the Langar Hall and is visited by thousands of people each year. The story about the sacred bear does not end here. In fact, there are trees associated with gurudwaras across Punjab, both on the Indian side as well as the Pakistani side. And although people may seem to be forgetting these legends about trees, there is one man who's trying to remind them and also revive these trees by cloning them. And last year, I happened to have the good fortune of meeting him when I visited his Museum of Trees in Chandigarh. Damanbir Singh Jaspal is a retired IAS officer based in Chandigarh and the author of A Tryst with Trees, Punjab's Sacred Heritage. Over the last few decades, he has made a phenomenal effort to revive trees that are sacred in the Sikh tradition. You'll find the amazing story of his efforts to revive and clone these sacred trees in the next episode. Until then, do take a look at these pictures to help you identify the bear tree. The leaf is almost circular in shape, glossy and dark green on top and white below. It has 3 prominent veins, and the tree has thorns. The fruit, if you haven't eaten it, is tangy and green, turning red, and a very popular snack in India, also incredibly nutritious. So, have you eaten the bear? Do you like it? And have you visited the Dukh Banjani bear in Amritsar? Write in and let me know. In the meantime, do share this episode with friends, take a look at some of the other episodes on the site, and subscribe to stay posted.